What do you think of her?
She has been doing pretty good last night. We weren't getting much sleep.
This small.
Yeah, she's tiny. Do you want to give her a kiss on the cheek?
Every 3 hours,
No?
get up, pee, back to sleep.
When is she gonna wake up?
I don't know. It's hard to tell. Do you want to go say hi to her?
No,
Do you know what her name is?
We have to wait for 2 per day. Not much snacks.
Zeta.
Pretty much up from 10
Zeta.
o'clock to-
Go say hi, Zeta.
Touch her. Look at her little toes.
Go say hi, Zeta.
Oh, she's got glue and do that tickles. Oh, nice, little. Look at all of her hair.
Do I especially?
Do you want to hold her?
I suppose
I'm
once we
gonna
get some
hold
free
her.
time.
Can I grab
Oh,
her?
yeah.
Should be good at fishing. Stop. Does it?
So, you go.
Is she cute?
Yes.
You were little like that too once.
Summer, I don't know if he shuts them off in the winter.
When I was a little baby like that, I was same size as that little.
Yeah, you are tiny. It's amazing to think how tiny.
This tiny.
Like
right?
that tiny.
She just chewed it on my hand.
That's so funny.